In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sticker outline in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional sticker-style border around any design, perfect for printing or digital use. First, open Canva and start a new design. A square canvas works really well for stickers, so choose a square size that fits your needs. If you're not sure, a standard 1080 by 1080 pixel canvas is a good, flexible starting point. Next, bring in your image or design. Go to Uploads, click Upload Media, and select your file from your device. You can also use something from your existing uploads if you've already added assets. Once the image appears in your Uploads panel, click it to place it on the canvas and position it roughly where you want it. For the cleanest sticker edge, remove the background. Select your image, click Edit Image, then choose BG Remover. This step is optional, but it helps the outline follow the true shape of your subject instead of a rectangular box. After the background is removed, give it a second to process and make sure the cutout looks good. Make sure your image is selected so you can see the editing options. Now open the Shadows settings by clicking Edit Image and scrolling to the Shadows section. Choose Glow. This effect creates the sticker border around your design. To fine-tune the border, click the glow effect again to open its controls. Set the color to white. Change blur to 0 to get a crisp, sticker-like edge. Increase the size slider until the outline is clearly visible and feels balanced. Finally, set transparency to 100% so the border is solid and bright. Take a moment to inspect the outline. Zoom in and look around the edges to ensure the thickness feels even. If the border looks thin in spots, slightly increase the size. If you see fuzzy edges, double-check that blur is set to 0 and that your background removal was clean. Small adjustments here make a big difference in the final result. When you're happy with the look, download your design. Choose PNG as the file type and enable transparent background. This preserves the cutout and the white outline without any unwanted box behind it, which is essential for printing stickers or placing the graphic over different backgrounds. That's it. You've created a crisp sticker outline in Canva using the glow shadow, with precise settings for a polished finish. Save your file, and you're ready to print or share.